Doyle, where are they from?
My grill, man.
Where are they from, Doyle?
Japan.
What? Don't record.
You get the whistle as well.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, working on the OSASSY. And we have these bad boys to install. So what you guys haven't seen off camera is I quickly had to steal some Ganador wiring that I had from another set of mirrors, splice it up with a factory harness so these will work, and get this ready because these ones have flash indicators on the side. So we're just going to do a little install on these. You guys are lucky because I've made like 3 videos this weekend. I don't know if you guys will find them all interesting, but I suppose it's content and I haven't uploaded for like 2 months, so it is what it is, boys. Let's get these on the car. First things first, we're going to remove the store cards. So down in there, there's a little cap. You pop them off and there's a screw. You slide this thingy off really gently. It's easier with a screwdriver. And then there's 4 Phillips somewhere along here, like there. You undo them and then this just pops off. Unplug a couple plugs. Just like that, our mirror's gone. So I've got my right hand side Ganador mirror here. So we've got 2 plugs. We've got one here for the electrics and this one here is for the indicator. So this one's quite long. I need to feed it down through here nicely, so I'm gonna have to try find a hole in here that he doesn't get in the way, feed him through to the indicator and splice him in. Hopefully he doesn't pinch and hopefully he works. So I've got my Ganador all bolted down there. What I've managed to do, put my cover on, run these nicely through here, put this indicator wire through the hole. I pulled out the speaker and I managed to feed him through with my hands through the door here, just so he's not getting pinched as bad, because if he gets pinched then he could break the connections and stuff like that. So run them through to your guard, and then you're going to run the indicator power off your guard indicator down there. So yeah, I'll put all this back together now, nice and simple, just the way you took it off. It's just 3 of these bolts holding your speaker in. Put him back in, stick this back down, and then we'll jump into pulling the wheel off on the outside and wiring the light in. So I've pulled my wheel off. This is my plug for my indicator here. Here's my wiring for the Ganador. So I'm just going to use these quick connectors and splice it all in so it all works. I'll do that real quick and then hopefully that'll flash. So I managed to solder them in the end, and I just taped it. If you guys can just see that blurry smidge right there into the guard, and then if I put the keys in, hopefully this will work. Otherwise I'm going to look like an idiot. Got an indicator. So I'm just going to chuck the wheel back on. That's basically all there is to it now. I'm going to put the other side on and then I will show you guys the finished product. Well, here's a side-by-side comparison. So normal Ganador, normal There we go, boys, all done. Thanks for watching.